My name is Brent, and my testimony is that the Above and Beyond Ministries in counseling and deliverance is just awesome. Even though I was born again and filled with the Holy Spirit, but I wasn't effective as I needed to be, and I knew that, and it was because I had spirits working in my soul in the area of deceit, deception, lying, manipulation, hypocrisy, all these things. I picked up some of these things through my military and government experience where I worked in a deceptive, clandestine environment. When I became married and had children and so forth, some of those things, because of pain and rejection and bad things that happened in the marriages and relationships, I used that to protect myself, but also I hurt people. And that was because the enemy was in my soul and hooking me, so to speak, and using those weaknesses I had, and the evil spirits were just controlling me. I was in bondage, as we say. So I give God all the glory for His healing power and His deliverance.